Hello everyone, welcome to Lingoland. Today we are going to learn one of the most important verbs in Spanish, ser. Ser means to be. We are going to learn the usage of ser and its conjugation. So let's start. First we will learn the usage of ser. Ser is used to talk about description, occupation, characteristics, time, origin, and relation. It is used to talk about something which is permanent and does not change frequently. Let's look at some of the examples. Ella es alta. She is tall. This talks about the physical description. Tú eres honesto. You are honest. This talks about characteristics. Yo soy doctor. I am a doctor. This talks about occupation. Let us look at some more examples now. Son las 3. It is 3 o'clock. This example talks about time. Nosotros somos hermanos. We are siblings. This one talks about relationships. Ellos son de la India. They are from India. This example, we discuss the origin. Now, we will learn the conjugation of the verb ser as per different pronouns. Yo soy, I am, tú eres, you are, él, ella es, he, she, it is, usted es, you formal are, nosotros, nosotras somos, we are, vosotros, vosotras sois, you all are, ellos, ellas son, they are, ustedes son, you all formal are. Let us practice now. Ellos - amigos. What will come in this blank? Ellos son amigos. Correct? They are friends. Yo - alto. Yo soy alto. Perfecto. I am tall. Arnaldo - guapo. Arnaldo es guapo. Arnaldo is handsome. Natalia - mi hermana. Natalia es mi hermana. Natalia is my sister. Tú - agradable. Tú eres agradable. You are nice. Nosotros - estudiantes. Nosotros somos estudiantes. We are students. Wonderful job done. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.